fragile that peace is. At the moment an air raid siren pierces the calm, everything changes. India's safety doesn't begin at the border. It begins with you. When you hear the siren, act fast. Turn off all lights, fans, and appliances. Draw the curtains. Shut the windows. Even a single spark can guide the enemy. This isn't panic. This is preparedness. The strength of a nation that knows how to protect its own. Teach your children what to do. A child pulls the curtain. A teen helps their grandparents turn off the lights. A family sits in silence, calm, composed, ready. Across the city, the spirit awakens. Volunteers check rooftops for light leaks. Women check on elderly neighbors. Soldiers at the border, calm, alert, unwavering. This is India. Every home, a fortress. Every citizen, a shield. In darkness, we don't hide, we unite. From cities to villages, a quiet blackout spreads. Not out of fear, but love. Love for country, love for each other, and belief that in every test, India stands tall. Stay calm, stay strong. We belong to India. India belongs to us.